Good morning, student. Welcome to the biology class. And today I am going to start new lesson, pollination and fertilization. In the last lesson, we have studied about that the flower, the parts of the flower, and already we have studied about that the androecium and gynoecium is the reproductive part of flower, and some flower is only male flower, some flower is only female flower. So it is very important. The anther have contained the pollen grain. The pollen grain is a transfer from anther to the stigma after the fertilization process is carried out. By in this video, I am going to explain about that the what is the process of pollination. Let us see what is the actual process of pollination. And in this topic I will explain what is the part is required for a pollination. As you know, student, already we have studied about that the male gametes, female gametes. The androecium is the male reproductive part of the flower, and the androecium is consist of the filaments and anther, and the anther is contain pollen sac, and in this pollen sac contain a pollen grain, and the pollen grain is the male gamete, and the gynoecium is the female reproductive part of the flower, and the female in the gynoecium is consist of the this is the ovary, style, and in upon the stigma. These is contained in the gynoecium, and these ovaries contain the ovules, and ovules is the female reproductive part of the flower, and this part is very required for the fertilization. Some flower is contain only pollen grain, some flower is contain only ovules. So it is very important to transfer the pollen grain from anther to the ovary, and by this process in pollination, the process in which transfer the pollen grain from anther to the stigma. Let us see what is the definition of pollination. See student, pollination, it is a process in which pollen grain means it is a male gamete are transferred from anther to the stigma. This process is called as the pollination. Understood what is meant by pollination? See, this is the male flower because it contain only anther, and this is the female flower because it contain only ovules, ovaries. Means this part is called as a carpel, and this part is called the stamen. Means the both these are the male flower and this is the female flower. So it is very important the pollen grain which is contained in the anther, and it is very important to transfer from anther to the stigma, and this process is called as the pollination. Understood student what is meant by pollination? Pollination, it is a process in which pollen grain is a transfer from anther to the stigma. This process is called as the pollination, and you know that the pollen grain is the male gamete and ovules is the female gametes. Got it? What is meant by pollination? There are two types of the pollination. One is the self pollination and another is the cross pollination. Self pollination means the pollen grain is a transfer from anther to the stigma in same flower, in a same flower. Otherwise, the pollen grain is a transfer from anther to the stigma in another flower but in same plant. This process is called as the self-pollination. Means this process is not required any external agent to transfer the pollen grain from anther to the stigma. This pollination is called as the self-pollination. And the cross-pollination means the process in which the pollen grain is a transfer from anther to the stigma to another flower otherwise in another plant. This process is called as the cross pollination, and the cross pollination is required any external agent like that wind, insect, water. With this agent they can transfer the pollen grain from anther to the stigma. Got it, student? What is the types of pollination? There are two types of pollination. One is the self pollination and another second is the cross pollination. Self pollination means what? The pollen grain is transferred from anther to the stigma its own, means there is no required any external agent. This pollination is called as the self pollination. And cross pollination means what? The pollen grain is a transfer from one flower to the another flower, otherwise one flower of one plant to the another flower of another plant, but in same species. This pollination is called as the cross pollination. Got it, student? What is mean by the self pollination and cross pollination? Let us see the different types of the pollination. Look at this figure carefully. There are three flowers, means the flower. This flower is called as the bisexual flower. You know that what is mean by bisexual flower? Means the flower which contain bisexual flower means what? The flower which contain both male and female gametes. Male gamete means it contain anther also, it contain stigma also. The flower in which the pollen grain is transferred from anthers to the stigma in same flower. This process is called as the autogamy. Autogamy means this process is carried out in the bisexual flower, means the both male and female part is present in the single flower. By the process of autogamy, the pollen grain is transferred from anthers to the stigma in a same flower. This process is called as the autogamy. And next, geitonogamy. Geitonogamy means the pollen grain is transferred from anthers to the stigma of other flower but in the same plant. This is called as the geitonogamy. And the allogamy means the pollen grain is transferred from one flower to the another flower in another plant. This process is called as the allogamy. What is understood? What is the subtype of the pollination? Means it is also both two, autogamy and geitonogamy. Both is the self pollination. Both are the example of self pollination, because both the pollen grain is transferred from anther to the stigma its own, means there is no required any external agent. Only the limitation, the both pollen grain and the ovules is mature on the same time. Got it? What is the autogamy and geitonogamy? Autogamy and geitonogamy, it is a subtype of the self pollination, and allogamy, it is called as the cross pollination, because this pollination process is carried out in two different flower which is present on the two different plant. Got it, student? What is mean by pollination, the types of pollination and the subtype of pollination, which part is required, and the process in pollination. The pollen grain is a transfer from anther to the stigma. This process is called as the pollination. And next video I will explain what is the advantages, disadvantages of self pollination and cross pollination. Thank you.